Hello. This video is going to be about how you can free up space in the Google Photos. If your space is quite full in the Google Photos, you have to free up some space. So for this, you have to open Google Photos in your phone. If you have the application for Google Photos, you can also do that by opening this application. So search for the Google Photos if you do not have Google Photos application. And go to the Get Google Photos. So now you will see that the Google Photos are opened in front of me. Now if I want to free up some space here, I can do that by going to my Google account. You can also delete some picture by moving the pictures on the trash. But if you want to free up some space, you have to go to your account. When you go to your account, you will see the option which is about free up space. So now you will see that I have an option of about free up 2.06 GB. If I want to free up this space, I have to click on that option. It might take a while, and once the Google Photos have done with this work, it will notify me. If you want to delete some pictures and you don't want too much space to free up, you can do that by moving your pictures to the trash and deleting them permanently. So that's how you can free up the space as much you want. Thank you.